YouTube and share with you the link via the chat. Um, if you have any question related to Tatmeen that we can help you with, please raise your hand. I will allow you to unmute yourself and then you can post your question. Um, I have my colleagues with me on the call, Moeed Yusuf from the tech team and Najwa from the onboarding and support team.
Hi, everyone.
Hello, Moeed. Hi, Najwa. Okay.
Hi
Uh,
everyone.
hello. So I don't see any hands risen, so I will keep the call open. And if you have any question, please raise your hand and then you can post your question. Sushant, good morning. Can you please unmute yourself?
Yeah. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so I had raised a ticket with Tatmeen as well. So for that, this integration part, I'm doing that integration part from here. So while connecting to that, we have been shared some on the site itself. I'm getting some Postman collection. Okay. But that Postman collection, there are some SOAP WSDL files which are embedded in that Postman collection. So I had a question here whether we can receive the actual WSDL file which has been imported in the Postman collection. So for all the integrations that we have, can I get those WSDL files from Tatmin? Yeah,
And
that is my
there's no
question.
WSDL file. So whatever you have in Postman collection, that is the one that you will need to use. So we are not providing any WSDL file to anybody.
Because I am using a middleware, okay, SAP
Yeah.
middleware I'm using. Okay.
Okay.
So wherein I have this JSON structures which I can build. Okay.
Mhm.
And we have this import functionality to where this all these data types so basically which
Mhm.
could be imported. So WSDL is one such XML document which can be imported.
Yeah, but we are not providing that. So everybody, there are a lot of entities which they have integrated using SAP middleware. Normally, they are using SAP out of the box integration, which they have SAP have done with our system Tatmeen. But if you are not using that one and you are building your own, you can use the Postman collection. That's it. So there is no WSDL file that we can help you with. You need to build that
So
structure. You need to build
okay,
that structure, APCI structure, and send it to us.
okay. So it's Yusuf, right? So
Mohit Yusuf. Yes.
Mohit Yusuf, yeah, Mohit Yusuf. So as you said that you have some partners which have done this integration with you using SAP middleware. So out of the box integration, do you have any more information on that part?
So, like I said, they are using SAP out of the box integration,
Okay.
which is Dimbal, do you remember the name that SAP gave to this integration?
No, I am not
I
sure
think
about
it was
that.
ICH,
Yeah,
SAP
ICH.
ICH. Yes.
Yeah, SAP ICH. So if you can contact SAP, they have SAP ICH. They created the integration, and
Okay.
they are managing this as an add-on. So if you can
Okay.
have a chat with SAP, that will be great. If but
SAP
still,
ICH. Okay. SAP
yes,
ICH. Okay. I'll just write it down.
yes, sure. So, but if
Okay.
still, if you want to do it yourself, then you can create EPCIS messages and create
Okay.
the structure and send the message to us because EPCI is standard GS1 structure. So you can create that and send it to us. SAP did the same thing.
Okay, but they have given us a solution now. ICH is a similar solution, which is they have embedded those in that ICH solution. Is that what
Yes,
you said?
correct,
Okay.
correct.
Okay.
So if you use
Okay.
that, the integration will be out of the box. You don't need to do anything else.
Okay. I'll check this. Okay, because I didn't
Sure,
have this ICH information with me. This is something new to me. So I'll
sure.
check this. I need anything, I'll just get back to you. Is ICS or ICH? H for
I
horse.
ICH, H for horse.
Okay, okay. ICH. Okay, fine. Okay, I'll check this if I need anything else. Anyways, I have already raised a ticket with you. If anything else is needed, I'll just contact you. But yeah,
Sure.
the information which I needed is already through. So thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you,
That's
Shilpa.
what my question. Thank you. Bye.
Mamoon, Mamoon, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes, hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Sam Mamunul Islam from Merkg. I just have a question regarding the aggregation. So in the current serialization guide, it is written that pallet aggregation is mandatory, but I remember at the beginning when you set up this call, we were informed that case aggregation is enough. And when I reached out also to Mohab at that time, they said that the serialization guide will be updated with a version 2. And recently I reached out to them and asked them the same question, and they redirected me to you now. And so I just wanted to understand if having case aggregation is still okay, or do we need finally to implement the palette aggregation? That is
Okay.
not.
Mamoon, the serialization guideline is clear and it says pallet aggregation is mandatory. However, in order to simplify things and simplify the process for the industry, Tatmeen validates only one level of aggregation. Now, there were discussions, yes, to update the serialization guideline. However, what the ministry found out is that lots of companies are avoiding aggregation and causing lots of challenges for their supply chain participants throughout the supply chain. So assume you are moving tens of thousands of items without any aggregation or case level aggregation, and you're expecting the licensed agent, the distributor, the warehouse, the pharmacies to scan them one by one. That caused lots of challenges, and this is where the
Absolutely.
ministry is giving, yes, the ministry is giving probably grace period only for certain companies on ad hoc basis, not for everyone, to enter their shipments into the country without aggregation. However, that is a temporary step to avoid shortage of medicine, but soon the levels of aggregation should be practical levels of aggregation. So a level of aggregation that would simplify the process for the distributor, the warehouses, and the pharmacies, the hospitals as well. Is it mandatory? Yes. As per the serialization guideline, yes. Is it being checked completely by Tatmeen? No. But that is not something that you can rely on. That might change at any moment according to the guideline.
Okay, clear. So we better implement pallet aggregation then, because so we are in kind of grace period then currently. From what I
Yes,
understand. Yeah. Okay.
but no, it's not a grace period. Grace period is given only for certain companies by a certain approval given only by His Excellency Dr. Amin Amiri. But other than that, you are not in a grace period. You need to implement aggregation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, because we are currently implementing aggregation up to pallet for, I would say, 80% of our products, but the remaining one are aggregated up to case. So the remaining one, this remaining 20%, I think we will have to also implement up to pallet, right? Then
it is also common sense. If you are shipping five items of a certain product for a niche cancer treatment or anything that is sold in individual packs, and you're sending only 5 packs, yeah, it doesn't make sense to aggregate to pallet level. Case level would be enough. Yeah. But mass production, no, aggregation is mandatory and you need to work on it quickly.
Okay, clear. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mamoun. Thank you.
Thank you.
Shilpa, good morning.
Hi, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, I'm actually new to this Tatmeen, and I want to do import for, no, I want to get Tatmeen license for our company to import. So from the starting, can you explain me clearly how to create Tatmeen account for import?
Shilpa, if I want to explain to you Tatmeen, it might take us a few hours. But that is not how we design Tatmeen. If you can go to tatmeen.ae
Yes.
You will find lots of resources, lots of material that would explain to you the process. If you can also send us an email to onboarding@tatmeen.ae, and my colleagues in the onboarding team would send you short videos, 4 videos that you can watch and know more about Tatmeen and what you need to do.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
To
Okay, sir.
onboarding@tatmeen.ae.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you, Shilpa. Vikari, good morning.
Good morning, Nival and
morning.
Leonardo. Good morning. So I don't know if in the previous meeting there is someone that asked what I'm saying. So
No worries, no worries. It's fine.
okay, about communication of the data, okay, to Tatmeen system.
Yep.
It is mandatory that are the MAH, so the market authorization holder of the product, or is possible that the communication of the data reporting is made by the local representative in a UAE?
Sorry, Leonardo, I didn't get the question.
Okay, so okay, I can rewording. Okay,
Yeah,
so so now I represent a manufacturing pharmaceutical company, okay, based in Italy. Okay, we are the so my company is the marketing authorization holder, okay, for 3 medicinal products for the Emirates. Okay, these products are uploaded in both system, BrandSync and Tatmeen.
Yep.
Okay, and so we know that there is the requirement about the data reporting of a serialized and aggregated product. Okay,
Yeah.
in Tatmeen.
Yeah.
Okay, so this activity, so the communication of these data, serialized data to the Tatmeen system,
Yeah.
is required to be done by the company, or is possible that this communication is made by, for example, the importer that is also the local representative for these products?
Yeah.
Or
the answer is both.
Both. Okay.
Yes.
So
So
because
either you as a MAH or the licensed agent, you are both authorized to send the commissioning data to Tatmeen.
okay, or the license agent or the MAH. Okay.
Correct.
Okay, so it is the same for the registration of the product in the both system, BrandSync and Tatmeen.
Registration, to the
Means
best of
when
my knowledge, yeah, when you
so
register with BrandSync.
yeah, when I register a product on BrandSync,
Okay.
and when and obviously I suppose that I needed to register also the same in Tatmeen.
No.
So this
No,
only in BrandSync.
Only in BrandSync, and Tatmeen is
Okay.
linked with BrandSync. Now, to
Okay.
answer the question is on whether the licensed agent can perform the activities on Tatmeen, to the best of my knowledge, on BrandSync, to the best of my knowledge, no. Only the MAH can register the products on BrandSync. But please reach out to them. Don't take the final answer from me. Reach out to them, to BrandSync, and check with
but
them whether
okay.
the licensed agent
Okay.
can do that or not.
So I'm can say authorized to enter in BrandSync and also in Tatmeen, and so I complete some registration in BrandSync only at the moment. Okay, but
You will see them
sometime
directly on Tatmeen. You will see them directly reflected on Tatmeen, on your page on Tatmeen, once you finish the
Okay.
registration and
Okay.
branching.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Thank you for your.
You're welcome. You're welcome, Jonathan. Have a good day. Fahim, good morning. Can you please unmute yourself?
Hi everyone.
Hello.
Hello. I am Ibrahim Ablatif from KSB. I need to asking two questions. Okay.
Yes.
First question. How we can change the SBOC, single point of contact?
You
for
need
us
to reach out to GS1 and ask them to change it. They will change it for you.
from GS1?
Yes, only from GS1.
Okay. Another question, second question. We are MAH, okay, to Tatmeen, but we are not in UAE, okay.
Mhm.
Permit shipping number we should taking from Tatmeen or from our distributor inside UAE.
Your distributor can apply for a shipping permit number. You cannot if you are an international service provider or an MAH not based in the UAE. Only the licensed agent can apply for the shipping permit.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you, Brian. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, if no more questions, then I think we can conclude this call. Thank you everyone for joining us today. And we will share with you the recording as soon as we can, hopefully within the next 24 hours maximum. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you, Baha, Moeed, Bharadwaj, and Najwa. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye-bye.